In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can make a corn dog here in Grow a Garden. If you do find this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. But first things first, you are going to need to grab a cooking kit from the Garden Guide Achievements. You can get this in this section over here. Once you do have it, place it down using the cosmetics menu. As you can see, it'll be within here. You're going to have to put specific things within that. And you're going to want to put 1 corn, 1 apple, and 1 pepper. This is just my personal favorite combo, but there are alternatives. And keep in mind, larger fruits are going to increase cooking time, so smaller fruits actually do make this faster. If you don't already have corn, apple, or pepper seeds planted, use your watering can to speed up growth. Instead of an apple though, you can use bamboo or coconut. Instead of a pepper, you can use cactus or bone blossom, and then you just gotta press cook and wait for that timer to finish. Use your cooking kits in multiple garden slots to cook corn dogs faster, and if you equipped Gorilla Chef pets in cooking pots, it'll actually have a chance to duplicate your food. But after doing that, you can actually open up the garden guide, and from within here, select food on this menu, and then you'll see the corn dog within here. Go ahead and select corn dog, and you'll see all of the known recipes. Just keep in mind, you only need 1 ingredient from each category. But yeah, that's how you can make a corn dog here in Grow a Garden. If this guide did help you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.